your Windows is activated. That's good news. But here's the truth most people don't hear. Activation is not the finish line. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to check, what to fix, and what to avoid after activating Windows, so your computer stays secure, stable, and ready for daily use. No advanced skills needed. Just follow along. Many people activate Windows and immediately start installing apps, connecting USB devices, or browsing the internet. That's where problems begin. After activation, Windows still needs a few important checks to work properly. Think of activation as unlocking the door. What we're about to do is setting up the house. Confirm that Windows is truly activated. Open Settings. Go to System. Then select Activation. You should see a message that says, Windows is activated, or Windows is activated with a digital license. If you see this message, you're good to continue. If not, stop here and fix activation first. Windows activation is explained clearly in the previous video. Everything else depends on this step. Activation does not make your computer faster. Activation does not install drivers. Activation does not protect you from viruses. What activation does is unlock full Windows functionality. It allows updates, security features, and system services to work properly. That's why the next steps matter. Do after activation is Windows Update. Go to Settings. Select Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Even on a fresh installation, Windows usually downloads security patches, bug fixes, hardware drivers, stability improvements. Let the updates download fully. If Windows asks for a restart, do not skip it. Restarting completes the update process. This step alone prevents many future errors. Let's confirm that your hardware is working correctly. Right-click the Start menu. Open Device Manager. Look for yellow warning icons, unknown devices. If you don't see any warnings, Windows has already installed the correct drivers. If you do see a warning icon, don't panic. In most cases, Windows Update will fix it automatically. Avoid downloading drivers from random websites. That's one of the most common causes of system problems. Let's check a few basic settings. Go to Settings. System. Display. Make sure the scale is set to recommended. Then go to Time and Language. Confirm. 1. Correct time zone. 2. Correct region. These settings affect updates, apps, and system behavior. After activation, many people make these mistakes. Skipping Windows updates. Turning off security features. Installing cracked software. Using driver booster tools. These actions often lead to crashes, errors, and slow performance. A healthy Windows system is usually quiet and boring, and that's a good thing. At this point, your system is ready. You can now install trusted applications, connect printers or devices, start normal daily use. You've done the important groundwork. In the next video, I'll show you how to update drivers properly without breaking your system. If this video helped you, subscribe for clear and practical IT guidance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.